another video. As you can tell, I gave you guys kind of like a B-roll of what we did this morning. No talking. We're actually in Paris now. I'm pretty sure you guys won't be able to tell if this is Paris, but we are in Paris now, and we're gonna go get an Uber. But I think we're gonna go get some change currency or money first, and then we're gonna go leave, and we're gonna go check in. So I'll check back in later. Bye. Hi guys, so we finally checked into our hotel. We're actually staying at Pullman Hotel, and I'm gonna give you guys a room tour, but it's gonna be on a different video probably. I'll see. It's probably like very short. You know what, never mind, it's gonna be very short, so I'm just gonna do it now. Anyways, I'm gonna start from the door. As soon as you open the door, this is how it looks like. So that's the wall right here, and just in case you guys are wondering, and from this side, on my left hand side, there's a closet, and there's the iron, some hangers and stuff. That's the bathroom door, and we have our little coffee maker. It's pretty cute. It's really cute. I like that orange background. Over here we have a table, pretty long. I like the accent, the orange accents. Actually, it looks pretty nice. And we have some picture frames right here, our luggages, and we have a sofa right there, a side table. It's my bag, Ricky's backpack. We have a TV, a really big frame, and a king-size bed. Walking over here, the bathroom. I'll just show you guys before I take you guys to the balcony. This is the bathroom. So we have 2 robes. That's the shower and the sink. It's pretty nice. Big mirrors, and it's really nice. And we have these products. This is their products here in this hotel. The Bigelow. I don't remember if that was from Bath and Body. I'm not exactly sure, but they have it right here as well. They have like that shower handle, and there's me. But the best part of this hotel, guys, is the view. We have a little balcony over here. Let me just show you guys this. So that's the surrounding. There's like a field, is that a soccer field over there? But guys, look at my background. If you guys are wondering what hotel this is, this hotel is called Pullman Hotel. Pullman Hotel. And I've heard about it from a few friends, and I did some reviews and stuff, and that's the reason why every time I looked at different hotels, I always go back to this one. And yeah, so now we're here. That's a little room tour for you guys, and we're gonna be exploring France or Paris in a little bit. I actually slept the whole entire train, right guys? I told Ricky I was gonna go take a nap and then I'm gonna go edit some videos, but I was asleep. I knocked out the whole entire time, and I'm gonna go back to bed again. So anyways, I'll check back in later. Bye. So guys, we're doing our first walk.
A small one today.
Yeah, it's already late. It's almost 6 p.m. but it's still bright. So, but Ricky said that the sun will set in a few hours, in a couple of hours. Hour and a half. So yeah. First thing that we noticed is that, hold on. First thing that we noticed, oh sorry if the lighting is bad, but the first thing that we noticed is that there's more food areas or food places to go to, so which is a good thing, and plus they close a lot later than London, so literally like 5-minute walk from us. It's already over there. I know. Is this where we're just going right now? I don't even know. We're just walking? Okay. So guys, I got some ice cream or sorbet. So guys, we're at a supermarket right now. Ouch. And we came here just for water. Like, I was telling them that we just came here for water. You found a beer. I found this one. And what else? But where's the water? Yeah. And the line is so long. Guys, look at it. It's already lit up. Yeah. But this is how it looks like from afar. So guys, I'm just chilling here. I wanted to see it like this. It's so pretty. Guys, the Eiffel Tower in full view at night. And then this is the park where everybody hangs out.